Hello boys and girls. Today we are working on lesson 53 in our Saxon math book. It said draw a line segment that is an odd number. And I chose the number 9 because odd isn't divisible by 2. And then if I took 4 centimeters away, that equals 5 centimeters. Now Millie has 60 cents to spend. Find 3 different combinations of things she could buy. So what I did is I started with the largest numbers and see if I could add them. I could. So then I went to the next one. Can I do 40 and 20? Yes. So I wrote that down. Can I do 40 and 25? Nope. So then I tried pudding with these, and then I tried apple with these, to see which combinations I could use. Write the prices of all the items in order from least to greatest. So my lowest number was 20. My highest number was the banana with 40. And then I put these two in where they belonged. What are the vertical line segments and what are the horizontal line segments? So what I did is I remember horizontal means like a horizon, which is flat across. So these are your horizontal line segments. You could write BC or AD or DA and CB. And then I know that the opposite of horizontal would be vertical, so that means it's up and down. So I wrote AB and DC, but I could also have written BA and CD. I measured my length, 3 centimeters, and I know that this is 3 centimeters because they're equal, 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters, and then I added them all up to get the sum of 10 centimeters. Here's where we're at, and I encourage you to use your resources. Most people do not know these right off the bat, but you will find this very useful. Actually, just the other day, I was making tea, and I needed to make a gallon, but it didn't tell me how much I needed to make a gallon, so I had to do some quick figuring. So, it's asking how many cups will each container hold. So I say, hey Siri, how many cups make a quart?
1 quart is 4 cups.
4 cups. Hey Siri, how many cups make a gallon?
I couldn't find cups make a gallon in your music.
Oh, sometimes Siri doesn't work. Hey Siri, how many cups go into a gallon?
1 gallon is 16 cups.
Okay, so now you notice I didn't do half a gallon. Half of a gallon would be half of the number 16. Well, what's half of 16? What double makes 16? Or 16 divided by 2. I know that 8 plus 8 equals 16. So it would be 4 cups, 8 cups, and 16 cups. How many groups are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups of how many apples? 3. Now I can go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So 7 times 3 equals 21. Number the number line by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Put a point where 35 should be. So 35 is right between 30 and 40, and label it A. Put a point where 27. I know it's not going to be halfway. It's going to be a little bit between halfway. I'm going to say this is point B. Put a point at 51. So 51 is going to be really close to 50. And I'm going to label that C. And that concludes lesson 53.